Here's how to increase music time on Snapchat. Now, before diving into the video, here's something you should know. Snapchat currently has music time limits based on the type of snap. For example, 10 seconds for a regular snap, longer for stories, spotlight, or multi snap. You cannot fully bypass those limits, but you can use some workarounds to extend music duration. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the camera page and hold the record button for more than 10 seconds. Basically, make multi snaps for longer music duration. Now, tap on the music icon on the right side and choose your song. So, this will increase your music time. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.